Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send crypto from crypto.com. So to get started with a quick guide, the first thing to do is to open the crypto app, then log in into your account using your account credentials. Then after that you have to go to account, then click on crypto wallet, then tap account at the bottom menu, then select crypto wallet to view your balance. Then once your balance is being filled, then choose the crypto to send, then tap on the crypto you want to send. For example, you can tap on BTC, HEAT or USDT, depends on which particular crypto you want to send. Then tap on withdraw. So to withdraw, you have to click on the withdraw option, then choose the external wallet. Then from there you have to tap on the plus icon, which is the wallet, which is the hard wallet address. Then select the correct network. For example, you can use the ERC20, the PIP20 or BTC network. Then paste the recipient wallet address, then label it like my ledger wallet. Also, you have to complete the 2FA verification and confirm by email if required. Then also select the save wallet address, then enter how much crypto you want to send, reveal the network fee and the total amount. Then after that, double check the wallet address and amount, then tap on withdraw. You also have to complete the 2FA verification to finalize your transaction. Then after that, you can go to crypto wallet and click on transaction to check the history of your withdrawal. You can also use the blockchain explorer with the transaction ID, which is the TX ID, to monitor the transaction progress. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section if this method is helpful and useful to you. Make sure you also subscribe because that really helps me out.